Obesity among the children has been increasing day by day. What are the causes and what are the effects? This is a type of question that you'll find in your test. This is non-opinion type of question. And when you write your essay, you don't need to provide any personal opinion in that case. In this video, I'll show you how exactly to write non-opinion type of essay. So let's get started with a sample answer. So this is an essay and we will talk about the major parts a bit at first. So the first part of your essay is the introduction. So this is going to be the introduction. And after the introduction, you'll find the body paragraphs. It means more than one body paragraphs. You need to write two body paragraphs or three body paragraphs. You shouldn't write less than two or more than three. Remember this thing. So again, two body paragraphs or three body paragraphs. And the final part is gonna be the summary, as long as this is non-opinion type of essay for you. Now I will explain each of the part, and you need to listen it very carefully. And if you can maintain this way in your writing, I can promise you that you're gonna make really very good band score. So let's get started with the introduction. In the introduction, we'll find two basic parts in it. If you see up until now, we'll see the first part is about just introducing the topic to your reader. And where we'll get the topic? We'll get the topic in the question that will be provided to you. So, in other words, we'll take the question and we'll just paraphrase and write the first part of the introduction. So, here we see. The prevalence of childhood obesity is rising at an alarming rate worldwide. This trend is primarily driven by lifestyle changes and unhealthy habits, which have significant consequences for children's physical and mental well being. So, you see, it's just changing of the words of the sentence structure, somehow paraphrasing the question. And the second part gonna be what you're gonna write in your body paragraphs. You need to just give a clear outline to your reader. So here it's been said that this essay will examine the main causes of this problem and its effect. So main problem, causes, and the effects of obesity. So by this, we can assume that the first body paragraph, or the B1 in this case, is gonna be about the causes, and B2 gonna be about the effects of obesity. So let's get started with the body paragraphs. I will talk about the body paragraph 1 or B1 at first. There are two basic parts in the body paragraph as well. The first part is called topic sentence, or the main topic of the paragraph. And good news is it's really easy to recognize. It's the first sentence of every single body paragraph. So this one is the topic sentence. One of the primary causes of childhood obesity is poor dietary habits. So writer will explain this topic sentence in here. So this part, or the part after the topic sentence, would be called as the supporting detail part of the supporting sentences. The main task of the supporting sentences is to explain the topic sentence very clearly. So let's see in this case. Many children consume excessive amount of processed food, sugary snacks, and beverages, which are high in calories but lack essential nutrients. So far we see it's about poor dietary habits, how it's causing obesity. Busy lifestyle and limited time for home cooked meals have led families to rely more on fast food, further exacerbating the issue. So it's again the same point how poor dietary habits is causing obesity. Additionally, children are often influenced by aggressive marketing of unhealthy foods, making it harder for them to make better choices. So it's a very clear explanation that how poor dietary habits is actually causing obesity among the children. So this is our first body paragraph. Now we'll see the second body paragraph. And in the second body paragraph as well, as we see the same structure but different viewpoint. It means past sentence is gonna be the topic sentence. So this one is the topic sentence, and after that we'll find the supporting details part. However, in this case, writer will write about the effects of obesity among the children. So the topic sentence here: the effect of childhood obesity are severe and far reaching. So this is the main point in here, main claim, and it would be explained in the supporting details part. So physically, it increases the risk of chronic health conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and joint problems. Obesity children may also struggle with low self-esteem and face bullying or social isolation, leading to mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Furthermore, childhood obesity often persists into adulthood, increasing the risk of long-term health complications. So you see, what are the problems we see? Diabetes, heart disease, joint problems, low self-esteem, anxiety, depression, and long-term health complication. Everything is severe and far-reaching. So this is what the writer wanted to tell in the topic sentence of this paragraph. By the way, now let you go for the last part of this essay. This is called the summary part. Summary, because this is non-opinion type. However, if you're writing opinion type of essay, that would be termed as conclusion. And in the case of summary, the task is very simple. You just need to summarize the two body paragraphs. In other words, you need to take the main points, the key points from these two body paragraphs, and need to write it very briefly in your summary. So let's see what writer has done in here. Childhood obesity is caused by unhealthy diets and sedentary lifestyle with detrimental effects on both physical and mental health. So you see, it's just a very precise summary of the two body paragraphs, and this is how we need to deal in our writing as well. I hope you really understand the basic parts of each of the basic component of your writing. For example, for introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. And I hope you can follow this instruction very precisely and make your essay very, very well crafted. Best wishes for you. Thanks.